Welcome to the online lecture of Michael Aron English School. So students, today I'll teach you how to write the letters from A to Z. Small letters, okay? In previous lecture, I explained you how to write capital letters. Now today, small letters from A to Z, okay? So, how you will write? First letter is always A. So how to write small letter A? First you have to make a smaller circle and then a smaller cross line. Okay, how you will do it? Just make a smaller circle and smaller cross line. A. Okay, then next, what is A for? Apple. A for ant. Okay, next letter after A is B. So how to write letter B? Small letter B. So first you will make a standing line and then a smaller half circle. Okay, so it's our letter B. Then next letter B for ball, B for bat, B for bear, etc. Next letter is letter C. So to draw small letter C, you just have to make a smaller circle, smaller half circle. Okay, C for cat, C for cock, etc. Then next letter is letter D. How to write letter D? First you have to make a standing line and then a smaller half circle. There is a difference in letter B and letter D. You will make the circle in right side. Here you will make the circle to the left side of the line. Okay. D for doll, D for dog, D for deer, etc. Then next small letter E. So in this way you have to make a circle, oval shape and then a circular shape. Okay, so it's letter E. E for egg, E for elephant, E for eagle. Then next letter after E is letter F. Letter F. So to write letter F, first you will draw the circular portion in standing line and then one slipping line. So it's our letter F. Letter A, B, C, D, E, F. F for fish, F for frog. Next, G. So first draw some circular part and then make the next line. So it's letter G. G for goat, G for grapes, etc. Then next letter H. So to write the letter H, you have to draw one standing line and then draw this smaller portion. Okay, so it's our letter H. H for horse, H for ham. Then next letter I. Just make a standing line, smaller standing line and one circle, one dot. Okay, just you have to make a smaller dot. Okay, so it's our letter I. Then I for ice cream. Next letter J. So to make the letter J, first draw the shape like this, which we draw in the G, and then what you have to do, you have to add a smaller dot. Okay. J. J for jug, J for joker, etc. Then next letter. Letter K. So to draw letter K, just make a standing line and two smaller cross line. Okay. To draw the capital K, you have to draw cross lines like this. But here it's called capital letter K, so you will draw the smaller lines like this. Okay. Now K for king, K for kite, etc. Then next letter L. So just make a standing line. Letter L. L for lion, lemon. And next letter M. So you have to write letter M by making a smaller standing line and shape like this. So it's letter M. M for moon, M for monkey. Then next letter is letter N. N for nest. Right? So then next letter O, so just make a smaller circle. Capital O, you have to draw bigger circle, and smaller O, you have to draw the smaller circle. O for ox, O for orange. A, B, C, D, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Now next letter is letter P. Just make a standing line and a smaller circle like this. Okay, so it's letter P. P for parrot, P for peacock, P for pen. Then next letter after P is letter Q. So just make a standing line, smaller circle in the opposite direction. Here you have drawn the right side, here you will draw the left side. Then a cross line like this, letter Q. Okay, so you will draw the letter Q like this, letter Q. Q for cube, quail, etc. Now P, Q, R. Next letter R. So just make a smaller standing line and one smaller line like this. Okay. Letter R. R for rabbit, R for red. Then P, Q, R. Next is S. So just you have to write smaller s like this. Capital S you write like this, right? So in smaller s you will draw like this. S for swan, S for sun. Okay. Then next letter T, just make the part like this and one sleeping line. T for tap, T for tiger. Okay. Then U. Next letter is letter U. So make the shape like this and one stand cross line. So letter U. U for umbrella, U for then next PQR STU V. Next is V. So just you have to make the smaller V like you draw the capital V. V, then W. In the same manner you will draw. Okay. Capital W you draw like this, right? So smaller W is like this. Okay. So you will make smaller W, X, two cross line crossing each other. V for van, W for watch, and X for xylophone. Y, cap, then smaller letter Y. So what you will do to draw the small Y, you have to make one cross line like this and another one like this. Smaller letter Y. Okay, capital Y you draw like this. In capital smaller Y like this. Okay, Y for yak. Then next last one is letter Z. In the same manner you will draw as you draw the capital one, but this one is smaller. Okay, do two sleeping line and one cross line. Z for zebra, Z for zoo, etc. Okay, so here we have completed P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Understood properly? Small letters from A to Z.